Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix not showing subtitles in VLC. Fix 1. Enable subtitles. Open your VLC app, then tap the screen, tap the subtitle icon. Make sure subtitle track is set on many times. It's just disabled. Fix 2. Select the correct subtitle file. Tap on subtitles, open subtitles file, close the correct SRT file, choose the correct SRT file. If the wrong one is selected, subtitles won't appear. Fix 3. Re-download the subtitles. Tap on subtitles, then download subtitles, choose a different option and download again. Sometimes the file is corrupt. Fix 4. Rename the subtitle file. Go to the file app, rename your subtitle file to match the exact same name as the video. Fix 5. Change the subtitle encoding. Subtitle language doesn't play correctly. Tap subtitle, then subtitle delay and settings. Change the encoding to UTF-8. This fix missing or broken characters. Fix 6. Move file into VLC folder. Open the file app on your phone, then VLC. Put both the video and subtitle file in the same folder. Now open the video in VLC again. Fix 7. Update VLC. Go to the App Store, search for VLC and tap update. Old versions sometimes fail to load subtitles. And that's it. Those are the best fixes for subtitles not showing in VLC on your phone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.